How to solve Facebook video has no sounds. Hello everybody and let's get started. If there is a problem with your Facebook videos sound not working, here are some possible solutions that you can try on. To get started with, let's open Facebook. Once you open the Facebook app, tap on the hamburger icon and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to Settings after then and then this page will open. Scroll down a bit until you find the option of Media. Just tap on the Media option and it will take you to another page. From here, you have to toggle on the option of Video Start with Sound. Usually, if it is turned off, then your Facebook video might have muted the sound option. Moving on to the next solution, go back to your home page of your mobile device and scroll down until you find Settings. Once you open your settings, you need to search for the audio option. For that, on the search bar, type in sound. Then after you will see a list of options, click on sounds and vibrations. From here, you can select on the media volume, ringtone and alarm volume. Make sure that none of this is muted, otherwise the sound could have been paused by it. Similarly, for third solution, long press your Facebook app and go to App Info. It will open a new page. From here, select the permissions. Make sure that the permission is given for the microphone and such other sound options. Once this is done, go back to the previous page and now select Storage and Cache. After that, click on Clear Cache option. And this were some of the solutions that you can try on. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.